Today we are going to learn coding. So what is coding? Coding is basically the computer language used to develop apps, websites and softwares. Without it, we would have none of the most popular technology we have come to rely on, such as Facebook, our smartphones, the browser we choose to view our favorite blogs, or even the blogs themselves. It all run on the code. In an informal way, coding is telling the computer exactly what to do by giving it step-by-step instructions to follow. Here, words are the keywords and the sentences are the statements, and the group of statements are the program, and the group of program is the applications or the software. Actually, coding is communicating with the computer using the high-level programming language. When we want to give input to the computer, we can use many formats like numbers, strings, list, tuple, dictionary. With these numbers and strings, we have to use some symbols like plus, minus, divisions and the multiplication. These inputs goes to the processor. Processor processes these statements and breaks it in a literals, variables and callable units. Then combining those, the statements gives us the desired output. So the computer takes the input and converted it in a combinations of ones and zeros and then gives us the desired output. But here computer knows nothing except 1 and 0. 1 means signal on and the 0 means signal off. Here we came to know the main important thing behind the coding, that is compiler. Compiler convert the high-level language in computer readable format, that is 0 and 1. Compiler makes the built-in Xcode or the executable code and translates the human readable code into machine readable code and creates the F file known as the executable file. Compiler takes the statement from us or the users and convert it once convert the source program to combinations of ones and zeros. Then it executes and vice versa. Again it converted to the high level language and gives us the output. Otherwise we never understand the computer output if it contains the ones and zeros. So it again converted it to the low level language to high level language for our understanding. So if you see the flow chart, then we came to know that the high level language goes to the preprocessor, then preprocessor send it to the compiler. Compiler breaks the high level language in assembly language and send it to the assembler. Then the assembler finally converted it to the machine readable format and send it to the loader or the linker to execute the final code. If we take the example of a C program execution, we can see that here the sample.c is the code written in high level language and that is not understandable by the machine, and the compiler converted it for us and in a 1 and 0 format, that is the machine readable format. Then computer runs the .exe format, which is the combinations of these ones and zeros, and makes the samp.exe file. With this exe file, computer finally able to run the samp.c program, which we already written in the high level language format. So this is very simple and very much interesting. These are the some popular programming language, that is C programming, PHP, Java, C Sharp, R programming, and the latest technology, that is Python. In upcoming videos, we'll come to know about this programming languages. Thank you.